What up, YouTube? I'm out here. We're at just parked, about to go film. What in my head it might work. I don't know yet. We haven't really done much. I don't even know what's about going down, but I know the mountains are pretty burnt right now, and it's really sunny out. I got my downhill bike and my slope bike, and my plan is to get some sick downhill shots and then end it at the dirt jumps and do a run through the trails on my slope bike. It's pretty windy right now. You can probably hear it on the microphone. Don't know what trails are good and what exactly to ride, and don't know how to turn out, but we're hoping for the best right now. I got Marky here with me to be the filmer for the day, handler of things to be handled. If any snakes come across the filming or anything, I don't know. But we'll see how this goes. We got a lot of walking to do and filming. I think we're ready. Got everything loaded up. I hope. Never mind, didn't grab everything. Forgot something. Oh man, it begins. Alright, so on the way up, I found this feather. Then like 2 minutes later, I found a dead crow. Got a B-roll shot of it. Look at this little step up. Oh man. Yeah, we're still hiking up the hill right now. Fun stuff. Alright, so let's came up with this idea. That up there is where I'm going to start. I'm going to go on this little single track, then go over there, and then over there is the valley that's all burnt. I'm going to drop into that valley. So, opening intro shot is going to be on this mountain. First got to climb this hill.
Trails like ours, like right here, that weren't ours, like somebody else's.
Alright, so we just got to the top of this peak. Down there you can see Dinner Point. There's the harbor and stuff. Pretty cool. Nice, very nice out today. Kind of warm. So Marky's gonna be the filmer behind all this.
All those good angles.
Get all those good angles. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. He just made one, 100 Magic Man. But yeah, so got my downhill bike up here. I'm sure the wind is awesome on my microphone right now. And see how this goes.
Area.
Way down, like over there. I'll just ride by you, but just like have the ocean in the background. You can't. What beach is that? Like fucking. 3, 2, 1. Oh, way too wrong of a gear. That looks so gay. Alright, so we just did the first intro shot leading into the burn area. So here we go into the burn zone. I've never ridden in a burned area before, so see how this goes. It smells like burnt campfire, so it doesn't smell like good. Hopefully I'm not too dirty by the time I'm over filming with this thing. It is hot out here though, guys. I'm doing this for 25K. Thank you for subscribing. It's been a long year. Lots more ideas coming, hopefully. There's no brakes on that bike.
Out of control.
Alright, so we filmed entering into the burnt stuff clip. Okay, our stuff again. A million uphill walks today, back to our stuff. Redo the shot, all that such fun stuff. Hope you guys enjoy this video. A lot of uphill walking has happened. But look how crazy this all looks. All burnt. Marky found a burnt can. Crazy.
Good.
Marky's doing a brakeless.
Down it burn too, that's pretty good.
Oh man, that was so sketchy. I gotta redo that one. Oh man. Of course.
That was so sketchy.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, dude, that hurt a lot.
You're crazy, dude. Alright, so we thought of the final shot, or one of the final shots, where I'm going to go down the really burnt area, which I've been trying to do this whole time, and see how this goes. So another hill to hike. You guys don't understand a lot of hiking went into this video. Fun fact, right here is where we filmed the very first BMX and mountain biking, or BMX mountain biking video. Right here is the start, and went that way into the hills. This one, the hills are those hills. So pretty cool, a little fun fact right there. Oh my god. This bike feels so different. Oh man, switching from the big bike to small bike feels really weird. Oh man, warm up on this thing.
Yo. There it is.
Alright guys, what a day that was. We just climbed a mountain like 100 times. If you don't know anything about filming mountain bike stuff, you have to walk the trail over and over again, and then if you leave your stuff at the top, you have to walk, go get it. So shout out to Marky so much for being a trooper, coming out with me. No one else wanted to cruise out and come help film. So make sure you follow him. He just made Instagram. Ladies, he's single. Men, I don't know, you might be single for that too. But yeah, I was ended at the trails and my legs are covered in ash and everything. Like, oh, I can't wait to go just clean myself off in a shower. But look at the bikes. Bikes are looking fresh. It was really weird doing the bike swap because it felt really weird going to this thing. But after a couple of laps, I got used to it. But man, started all the way up there. Now we're all the way down here. Thanks for 25,000 subscribers, guys. Next challenge is 30. Make a cool video for you guys. So keep following, subscribing, liking, whatever, and I'll keep making videos. Thanks.